So how can you hide the keyboard on the iPhone? Let me explain some possible scenarios and situations where it might work and how it works. So if you're new here, subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. So usually when you go and reach a place where there is a text field, upon clicking on it, the keyboard will be automatically pulled up, right? So like if you open up the messages, there is a text field, but whenever you want to like swipe across the messages, or you get away from the typing feature, the keyboard is going to disappear, right? So in order to get it back, you can tap the text field again. So even though there isn't like any button to hide the keyboard away, you can kind of like do it this way, where you just stop doing the search or stop doing the typing, and then the keyboard is going to disappear. So as I said, there isn't any like button officially to make it disappear, but once you get away from the place you type text, then the keyboard is going to go away on its own. So that's definitely something which you can do. But for more settings, check out the main settings app, where the general section holds keyboard menu. And in there are so many ways how you can change it, the way it kind of works. Like you can hide some specific things like the predictive text or predictions, or disable some features, or even disable some specific kinds or languages for your keyboard, right? So if you go there at the top and tap on edit, you can literally disable some of them or hide the keyboard when you mean just that particular language. So as you can see, it depends on what the goal is, but I would really love to hear your thoughts and opinions below if you managed to find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to catch you later in the future videos as well.